up guys? Thanks for checking out episode 3. The work on the car's been a bit sporadic. I've been doing a couple of days here, a couple of days there, so I'm going to try and edit it in a way that hopefully makes some sort of sense to you guys. But I have made alright progress on the car. Ooh, I bought some bits too. New tube ender, or second hand, new to me. And scored a full set of Gas Gold coilovers second hand for a real good deal as well. So they'll definitely help with getting the car to stick to the track. So anyway, I'll get back into the build. The first part will be ripping the motor back out to make clearance in the firewall. Let's get to it. So the first thing I want to do is just mark around here where I need to get a bit of clearance. And I go in and remove the bar from in here. Maybe take the dash out as well actually, to make it easier. And then start some hammering. Down. You can see that very well, just so I've got a rough idea of whereabouts it's going to sit. So to get the dash off out of the way, there's a couple of, you see much, can you? Hold up, let me get a light. So to get the dash out, a couple of bolts up there, a couple of bolts by the column, and a couple over the other side. So we'll just whip those out quick, then we can lift the dash out. Redo the brake setup because they've got a little cantilever setup. The brake booster stays on the passenger side, or left hand side, and they just run this weird bracketry system, and it's pretty gay. I'll show you guys what I mean by the little cantilever bracket system, because they keep the brake booster on the left hand side of the car. There's this whole system here, when they convert it to right hand drive. So I'm going to pull all that out. That's a whole lot of weight I don't need. Just means I might have to cut some holes through here to run my master cylinders, but then that should be sweet. Sweet. Now that all that brake stuff's out of the way, I'm just going to go ahead and lift the motor back out and start heading in there. Make some room. Somebody should have warned you. The day will come. Put another light up so it's a bit easier for you guys to see when I'm in here. You can see a bit of my mark, so I know roughly where I need to stretch it out. It's got a big fold here, so what I'll pretty much do is just beat that and just concave the fold the other way, just to give myself a bit more clearance. Somebody should have warned you. Alright, so I just finished getting most of the shape into it. Just get it concave in the other way. It should give us plenty of clearance for the clutch fork. So I might lift the motor back in and see how we look. Obviously I'll give it a bit of a fine tune. It's got a bit of a crease there. I'll cut that out and weld it up. Somebody should have warned you. Alright, so I've got the motor sitting back in. There's way better clearance, but the gearbox still hits back there. I really want to get it up a bit higher.
It's just marked out where we're going to cut. Make it nice easy straight line so we can fill it back in again.
What's up guys, it's been a couple of days since that last video. I was busy lifting the motor and stuff in. The last few days have been super busy with work, but have made pretty good progress. Managed to find a tube bender second hand for pretty cheap. I did make this stand for it as well since we last spoke. Got the bender, so I made a stand for it out of some beam. We'll play it on here and I'll just use concrete screws, drill some holes in the concrete. And so I ordered in some roll cage tube so I can get ready to get the rest of this in. So pretty much after I tried to get the motor in last time, we just had to cut a bit at the top of the tunnel, which wasn't too bad. It's just this gearbox is a bit taller than the BMW gearbox. So pretty much got the motor sitting exactly where I want it now. Just going to buy a bit more steel, make up my front cross member here, start making the engine mounts, and same with the gearbox cross member underneath. Just got to start making that up soon. Should be good. I think today I'm going to do a bit more cleaning up. I need to cut the main hoop out because I want to redo the main hoop. I'm not happy with how that's sitting. What else have we got to do? Well, there's shitloads to do, but I'm going to try and do it in order. Thanks again for checking out episode 3. There was a big delay between episodes 2 and 3 because my old laptop decided to shit itself. So we've been saving up for a while. Finally scored a new computer, so it's a lot better than my old one. So there should be a lot more regular videos coming up. We've also got a lot of ideas this year for videos at events and with a few certain drivers and athletes too. So hopefully have some cool shit coming your way, and make sure you keep in touch and flick us a comment if you want to know anything. Cheers guys.